Using the OMI PulsePad. OMI is Oxford Medical Instruments. They're an established, reputable manufacturer of pulsed EMF devices. Pulsed EMF is the external application of electromagnetic fields to augment your body's existing electromagnetic field. The OMI devices are considered very low intensity induction devices that emit fields around the 2 Gauss level. So this is ideal if, first of all, you're new to PEMF and you want to give it a try. Some people just don't want the high power. They have their own beliefs about electromagnetic fields, although all the pulsed EMF devices on the market are safe, otherwise they wouldn't be allowed to be sold. The technology is not new. Electromagnetic field technology has been used since the 60s or 70s and probably early in some other countries, initially to heal non-union fractures. The PulsePad is a portable device, one of the few portable pulsed EMF devices on the market. It's very lightweight, it's easy to handle, so it's very easy to take it on trips when you travel, to your office, while you're sitting in your car. If you're going on a long road trip, this is a good thing to have. And some people buy these for their small pets. If their pets are sick or hyperactive, they place this little pad on their mattress and the pet lies down on it and gets calmed by it. So in the box it says OMI PulsePad, pulsed electromagnetic device. Use it whenever and wherever you need it. Safe and easy to use. The product provides electromagnetic massage on the targeted areas. The pulsing magnetic field promotes the body's own regeneration processes and helps improve your physical and mental well-being, to increase energy and vitality, and to have better general mood. Personally, I think massage is a misnomer. With an intensity this low, 2 Gauss, you're not going to feel it. You may hear it, you may hear the pulses being generated, but you should not feel your muscles twitch in response to that. I'd say a better term would be an electromagnetic field bath. So I'll take it out. Has the instructions, a control unit, and I already put the 4 AA batteries in it. It's about 11 inches by 8 inches, polyurethane foam. Pretty durable, but don't overdo it with bending. There's, remember, wire coils in the mat. And be careful where the electrical cord attaches into the mat, because once you break that electrical connection, it won't work. All you do is press the button once. The power indicator turns green and flashes, and you'll hear a rapid ticking sound. So that's the mechanical noise that's generated when electricity flows through a coil. You could place it under your back. What I do when I use this is I place it under my head while I'm reading a book. Place it on top of your pillow, lie down on it, or you could put it on the floor and put your feet on it. Again, if you have a small pet, just like a cat, you can put it in their little sleep area, put a sheet over it so they don't mess with it, and they can lie down and get the treatment that way. All right, so the OMI PulsePad, great for portable pulsed EMF treatment. To find out more about the PulsePad and pulsed EMF devices in general, you could click the button in the upper right corner of this YouTube video, and it'll take you to my site where it has all kinds of information, research studies, and the different models, from the low intensity OMI to the very high intensity Curatron models.